Please be advised that the content of this stream is for educational and informational purposes only. All investments and trading activities involve significant risk of loss. Past performance is not indicative of future result. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing said here should be taken as professional financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and consult with a licensed professional before making any financial decisions. Proceed at your own risk. Yeah. Did you do any... Sorry, just to interrupt you for 1 second. Did you do anything different with your mic, buddy? No, what's weird is because now in the whatchamacallit, the OBS, when you talk, I used to be able to capture your mic from your stream output, right? And now it's not doing that. Oh, wait. Now say something. No, now it's working. Now it's working. Now you're good. That's so weird.
Is that any better?
Yeah. So I can see your mic output on my screen, and it's just now all of a sudden I don't know what you did, but now it's back.
Yeah, like in my settings on this video, there's like they're all the same, but there's like default desktop microphone, and it's Rode PodMic, and then there's another one that's exactly the same, but it just doesn't say default. So I just picked default. So I just have to be careful of that, I suppose.
Yeah, don't ruin the stream, bro.
Oh, draw on screen. What? Can do drawings? How?
That's why I was cracking nice and sexy.
Yeah, called it. Bear taking the credit in the firm, just like Bear,
you're the bear. Okay, so I was like rolling out of bed when I saw I wonder if cancel all doesn't do that. Okay, so cancel all. All. And Q making the dump. Oh, I got a long way to go to make up all my losses here.
No, yeah, just don't force it, man. It's just like on comebacks quite often.
I'm already at the peak of the loss there. It was like negative 1600. I'm already negative 780. So I mean, just easy plays though. Like I gold was just incredibly easy to long. YM and Q I shorted. NQ was hard to short. I'm not gonna lie. YM was easier. YM was doing all their little like fake out moves.
Yeah. And just NQ's a bitch. Doesn't look as shitty as it did on Friday.
No, it's definitely not as shitty, big picture. But when you're starting off the day anxious, like you talked about, and like you're already like down, you know, all those little like
Yeah.
whips. It was just like, oh,
No, I can't take it anymore. But you're just very conscious that you haven't got many whips in you
yeah,
before
yeah,
it toast. So you got to be super selective.
yeah. Just forget about what your P&L is and just do
No,
it.
yeah. Find the moments, the highest percentage moments to try and claw it back. Because if you go in a frenzy, just like mega scalping, you just fuck up eventually. And especially like if you get to like break even, I always personally just stop, because the amount of times I've then gone, right, let's try and fucking go, just fucking end up back restarted.
Yeah.
It's just like you just lose the win, and you need the win.
What I want to see is I want to see a nice I want to see them take out the shorts on the open, man. Because
Well, I mean,
I don't like at this point. I can't get in anywhere.
I don't think it's okay. You want to see it like whip up, take settlement sort of thing, go down.
I not even. It doesn't need to go that far. I just.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, I'm not in a rush today to jump in. I hate the open action generally.
I can't. I've got so smoked on open. So many days I have like thought I had a read on the open, only to get smoked, and then, you know, kind of been like out of the game for the rest of the day because of like loss on the open.
Yeah.
And then just seeing like the rest of the day just be like the easiest action, or like not easy, but like, you know, like, yeah, and just like I'm like, nah, I don't think there's any rhyme or reason. I know that there's some guys who say they can, but whatever.
There is, but you gotta have a fucking wide stop. It's like it's a swing thing. I think it's like, okay, I'm waiting for it to clear that. If it does, I'm in, and the stop's 50 points. But I hate fucking doing shit like that, because you got to see it through. You got to see it through, and if you're fucking up 50 points and then it takes you out, you're fucking down 100 points.
You need a big ass account, and you need to be able to do that day in and day out for like a year.
Yeah, and you need to enjoy that sort of trading. I just don't particularly. I mean, it's fine if it. I like to just get out, in and out. And like generally, if you're making that sort of play, you're gonna have to sit through some shit, and it's just so annoying.
Ah, man, I think you're right. This shit just looks like it's gonna crack and die.
Yeah.
But I don't want to get in here because it's so. Oof. Yeah, I'm not getting in anywhere here.
I ain't touching it. I'm gonna wait until, especially pre-open. I'm just gonna.
Oh, we're already 7 minutes. Okay.
God, I should be going for a wee before we start.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that. That's a good idea. I can't go pee. You there? What up, player? Yo, yo, yo. Hey.
No, I'm not going to because then it'll be weird me leaving. I don't like it when there's loads of people in there anyway. It's fucking boring. They'll all just be asking retarded questions. And then if Bear asks, I can just say that's why. I think everyone's retarded and I don't want to spend any time with them. Except you, because I love you, Bear. Bear, bear, bear.
What am I witnessing here? Oh my lord. Just reclaiming the whole thing. I'm not done yet. I'm still hungry. Yeah. Gold blasting to infinity. And Q. What are we even looking at here?
Muted. Excuse me. I'm watching YM as well.
Yeah, I am too.
But I'm not used to trading it, so I don't know.
No.
I'll probably just look for classic patterns rather than try and be clever with my scalping.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, all I can see is one big. God damn it.
Look at this. Look at the NQ pushing while the Dow keeps dumping.
And the Dow's holding, but it wants to go down, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like being held up, I think. NQ just wants to take those early open shorters who just got in the first minute.
Yeah.
No freeloaders. Tickets, please.
There we go. That's a good short right there that I caught. I didn't catch it. I gotta widen these brackets.
Now YM's fucking having a go. Fucking they're both rotating.
Right? Isn't that hilarious how they do that?
And it's just like, feels like someone's just rotating into one and out the other.
Correct. that's exactly it, I believe. Gold seems it's a little stuck here at this area.
Yeah. I'm still not sure about gold in terms of like timing.
Okay, so
but I do.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I mean, if this 15-minute bar closes strong, then yeah.
I'm actually looking on gold at like on a 30-minute chart for the most part. Actually, 30 or 1 hour.
Yeah, I'm on a 15.
Yeah, I'll execute on obviously a 1 or 2 just because for fun, but I'm happy to participate long at this point with gold, but my pullbacks always have to be substantial in the sense of I wanted to pull back. So I have a monthly VWAP on, right? So that's roughly about 4,000, 900-ish, right? Those are and it pulls back consistently to the VWAPs. Now the VWAPs are obviously going to change as time goes on, right? But I've watched gold so much for like months now that it's it's one of those things that it always seems in this action, it always seems to reward patience. Like just sit still. Actually, it rewards 2 things. It rewards patience to let it pull back to these like kind of higher time frame indicators like VWAPs, but it also rewards you having the balls when it does speed up to just get in, just like mark it in and ride the wave, because it pushes far,
Yeah. Fucking hell, gold on NQ looking like it's going up.
Yeah. I don't know what to do here, to be honest.
Well, I mean, settlement's in play. It's just still a bit too. It's like 10-point stop territory. I want to be long here, but no, I don't.
What's settlement? What's the price?
Sorry. 162. 5162. I should be long here. Glad I'm not. Oh, glad I'm not. Glad I'm not. Glad. Oh, God damn it. That should be long. Frick.
Take a breath. We got it.
There's some shit it's got to work through.
How do I even...
So it's not... Oof.
This is so confusing.
Fuck yeah. Here's the thing. Every time I try and catch a trade to settlement, the last fucking 2 weeks I've been fucked. I'm not going to even try. Fuck, should have just tried. You slut!
You idiot!
I know. Just basically took a loss trying it and then thought, hang on a minute. This hasn't been working recently. Silver's looking good. Oh shit, missed it. Fucking silver.
Well, you definitely have a good read on these things, because I don't know what I'm looking at, to be honest with you.
Fuck it, probably missed it.
It's about 30, so today. So high of yesterday was... Okay. So... But where do we want to... Where would we be interested in getting short here? That's the question.
Ugh. Fuck's sake.
Right. Holiday settlement, honestly, like you said. That actually kind of lines up well. But if it pushes to there... I don't know, like, if it pushes all the way to there, like that's... I don't know. I don't think I want...
No, I mean, I would expect...
I don't want to get in front of that there.
No, I mean, if it gets to there, it could ping off it pretty hard.
Yeah.
But if it keeps going, then it does potentially invalidate short ideas.
YM is still very weak.
Okay. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised if it comes off of settlement. Yeah. It's fucking making a meal of getting there.
My entry was dog shit. Fuck! Ah, it just wicked me out. God damn it.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to test the 9 first. It quite often gets this close to settlement and really fucks around taking it. No, the better trade is to anticipate getting there and just take profit when it's 80% of the way there, because it always
No, I tried to get
around.
short just now.
Oh, you got short. Nice.
Yeah. I got short right at 138-ish or something, but then it wicked me out and then dumped for that 20 points. Motherfuckers. I wasn't holding it, but I had bad execution. Like, this will take out this whole candle now. You'd have to be very, I don't know something that I don't, to get short here again. That was your one opportunity, and it was risky. Whatever, I only took a $60 cut. Sometimes it's almost worth it just to buy these longs, just to, because you know that they're about to. Yeah, right there it is.
Yeah.
When I'm on fire and like I have a cushion on the day, I'll take those longs.
Yeah. I wonder if it will fucking not get there.
I was just thinking the same.
Because YM's...
What grand fuckery show?
YM's pushing still.
Gold is soon to break out of this big 2-day hourly consolidation here. Looks like it's about to blast off to the freaking moon.
Fuck's sake, I've closed my... Canada. News.
We'll just join in for fun.
So basically no news, right? Oh, loads of feds. Okay, later.
There's Fed talks?
Yeah, 6:30. Waller, Mirren, Bostic, Mirren. And then there is actually a consumer inflation expectations at 4, which might...
I should pull out the news.
But that's... It says it's low.
Okay, so this looks like it's still... YM keeps dumping. Okay, so... Alright, so there's a lot of Fed talks and Trump talking, so that should be a blast. Wow, gold is just savage. Ah, there it goes. Takes it out.
Okay, called it for 18 points.
You caught the long?
For settlement, yeah. It flat topped on the 5 seconds.
Nice. All right, what do we got here now? That looks... Where's the volume? Fuck.
So here I'm expecting it just to reverse quite hard.
Yeah.
And YM's going now. So, I mean, that's probably like insta short, but I ain't... I'm going to need to see something first. YM actually has to achieve something here, not just wick the low.
Okay, a little $100 there. Not good. It's very hard to execute on this thing. Holy fuck. All right, this is important here. Where is this candle? How much time do we have left on this candle? Do you know?
The 1 minute.
Yeah.
42 seconds.
Yeah, thanks. I don't. This platform doesn't even have anything for that. Oh wow, pushed all the way there.
Yeah, YM's just failed to break any meaningful. So I'm looking at I'm looking at the 5 minute. That's got... Okay, it's just opened. It's basically wigged down. It's reclaiming. Okay, it's trying again. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, okay. YM's going.
Yeah.
And NQ's going the other way. Yeah.
Yeah,
oh, look at that.
Look at
It's
that.
a stitch. Absolute stitch. Fuck, that would have been a banger to fucking anticipate that. And YM's reclaimed the whole fucking wick on the 5 minute.
Wow.
That's some shit. That would have been a banger though.
Yeah.
Would have fucked it up.
So what?
Tried to hold it.
Honestly, this doesn't look very strong.
No, but it looks like it's going to reverse on NQ. So we're starting to broaden out, which tends to mean it could turn. It's building the cause. Fucking some people up first. higher time frames, quick.
Oof, brutal.
I mean, not in love with it. Not in love with shortness in the slightest at the moment. But actually, that's a good short in terms of risk reward.
Oh well, I blew up.
Oh really?
Yeah, I had three lots there, and it just blew me out.
Oh fuck! Did you add in?
Yeah,
It just went. Up.
It's okay.
What was it on?
NQ. I was expecting that to test the high, but then
To roll over
down, right?
Yeah.
Like at least retest that big wick a bit, right? And it just push right on through. Ouch, that hurt. Whatever, that would have been the trade of the day.
Yeah, the problem is it's going to work in about a minute.
Yeah, I know. I'm aware.
It's just sometimes being early isn't worth it. Fucking pig. I fucking hate trading this time of day, to be honest. I'd much rather. I'm much. Yeah, it's going to work. It's just. That triple tapped the fucking highs first. Went higher, and then dumped it. Now it could go all the way back up. Oh, that's what I am doing. Actually making. Oh fuck! I am making progress at least. Of course, I should be fucking trading it really. Bear's gonna call me a cunt for not trading it after I called it. It's gonna chase it. You okay, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm just annoyed. Because that was kind of like, I've been like, yeah, that's what I wanted to happen today. That's what I said I wanted to happen. I tried to get, I had a plan. I executed where ideally would have been, I thought where maximum pain was, and it still didn't work out for me.
Well, he didn't have enough capital, didn't have enough drawdown left. But also, I mean, to be fair, it's probably a little bit oversized.
Yeah, no, I agree.
It's a pig, don't it? You go from sim to this and it just changes. It's a fucking pig. Because it's suddenly you've got these constraints.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Look, oh, of course it's fucking tanking now. Fuck. Sorry. That's so frustrating.
It's a recurring theme.
Oh, but like, you know, it'd be one thing to get like shot out of the water at like 147. Like that's just a stupid move. But to get shot out of the water right there.
Yeah. You found your pain spot.
Yeah. I oversized. I'm an idiot. Nah.
And the problem is, if it had worked, it would have sort of rewarded bad behavior.
I don't think that the behavior was necessarily wrong. I think that the sizing was wrong. Like I'm.
That's what I mean. That's what I mean. The trade was great.
Yeah.
The sizing is bad behavior because you would have got a banger.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it would have been like, oh yeah, I'm gonna try that again. You're just playing with fire. Like, you need to get a buffer going.
Just fully fucking retarded.
The fuck? Oh, okay. Help if you're on the right account. That's a good job that didn't work. Just try the short YM. Would have got fucking tagged. But I had it on an old eval that was already blown. So it rejected. Oof. YM is that NQ's flat bottom in here. But it's right on the close.
Hold on.
Oh, there she goes. Slut. Gee. I actually don't like watching two of the indices together because they often diverge and sort of
Play with
your head. Well, it's just, you want them to be moving together, and quite often they weirdly alternate in a kind of micro time setting. Like the 1 minute will be going up on over. When you look at it overall on a high time frame, they've done the same thing. But YM's now fucking pushing back up. This could be a short here, maybe. But the stop's a bit wide. Fucking hell, YM's a lot fucking friendlier, Jesus.
Yeah, right.
Fuck yeah. Not seeing anything here. Okay, gold to key spot. I'm trading it.
I gotta say, man, I do commend the people who like can trade on this like trading view thing.
What's it called?
Well, this is Top Step, but the built-in thing into it is it's just a trading view thing. Like it's god awful.
Hmm.
Good for them though.
What's it called? They call it something like.
Well, they call it Top Step X. Their
Yeah,
like
that's it.
proprietary platform, but realistically speaking, it's just the trading view integration that every company uses. Like, you know, like people can pay TradingView for the kind of like license to use it on their things.
Right. It's just a wrapper.
Yeah, exactly. But it's just like a really shitty version of TradingView, which is already kind of like shitty. I mean, TradingView is good for what we use it for, but not for fucking trading.
Yeah, it's good for charting.
Yeah. But like when I'm trading live, I'm like switching around time frames a lot. I'm moving in and out, like especially if I'm in a position and maybe I'm managing it on like on a more scalp basis. I'm really zoomed in, I'm really zoomed out, and this thing, it's the biggest problem is like it's auto zoom. Like you gotta sometimes rely on the auto zoom function, right? For some things, it's just god awful. But a lot of people find success, so it's probably.
I mean, I'm sure if you use it enough, you get used to it.
Yeah. I think a lot of these things though, like I don't want to get used to it.
No, you know there's better options.
Yeah, right. Like I mean, I could get used to it. I don't want to.
No.
I'll tell you one really nice thing about Sierra, actually, compared to other platforms, that actually almost makes me sometimes want to go back to it for like
Oh, you fucking
reasons.
fat fuck. I thought it was fucking long and I was short.
Oh.
You fucking dope. I was setting my stops. I was like, this is going. I looked, oh fuck, $100 down. Cunt. How did I do that? Fucking hell. That's stupid. He says YM, not fucking NQ. Fuck. It's a fucking sweet entry as well. Fucking twat.
Yeah, you're kind of a loser, right?
Fucking that's terrible. Fucking hell. Ugh. Fucking as soon as you go funded, you can't trade for shit.
Are you on funded account?
Yeah, I'm playing some funded accounts today.
Well, you do what you want, but like if you're feeling kind of shit today, why don't you just try to pass a few evals or something? Take the pressure off.
No, just fucking push these.
Just blow one up like me.
I'm not gonna blow up. But I'll play until I hit my loss limit. I mean, one of them's up. I've got 360.
I'll be honest. I gotta think about things. I've been way too cowboy lately, and it's just I don't know why. Like as soon as I got these accounts, I just started like going harder.
I mean, yeah, it's like
I'm not taking more trades, and I'm taking good places to trade. I'm just like I'm more antsy to size.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I guess you kind of see there's a reward at the end of it, as opposed to the sim where you're just process driven, as opposed to there's something. I might make some money. It's just different. It's annoying. It is. I'm gonna wait because I don't know what the fuck is going on at the moment. This fucking NQ chart's a mess. Consolidating. The outside low. That was the break. Fucking 1 minute. It's ugly. 5 doing. Outside. Broadening. Fucking bullshit. Fuck you, YM, you cunt. Now you're going. That's such a good fucking entry. The fucking wrong button. Why?
I'm sorry, bro.
I haven't done that in a long time.
Ooh, gold is sticky here. This looks like it's starting to build up some pressure.
It's key spot.
Yeah.
It's wicking on the 15 though. It's not impressing me, but I can't see it not taking 67. But I can see it pulling back. Fucking 70% first. Get the Fibonacci out. Fucking back to settlement. Fucking NQ, you slut. Yeah, I'm playing scared. Need to just grow a pair of balls. Start hitting some shit. Once the opportunity is there. Fucking YM. Says hit my target. What a cunt.
Okay.
Fucking.
Gold's about to smoke people.
Oh,
Go
yeah.
long. Press buy. Press buy long.
Bye.
Pass your account right now. Full size.
Don't even. I haven't got a gold chart up, so it's not happening. Take 25 minutes for the fucking load.
Oh, give me 2 seconds. I just gotta bring my
Yeah,
kid downstairs. You shorted gold like I told you?
No.
Actually, it was looking pretty shorty, to be honest, afterwards. Like, as soon as I said go long, I was like, eh.
I just started. It's this wick. It looked like it wanted to. And as soon as it fails, it wicks.
Hello, NQ. What the?
Grinding. Wants to take Friday high.
$25,222.
Fuck. Totally slipped me like a fucking twat. Fuck's sake.
Don't worry,
Go get
little
it.
man.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You have to eat the loss.
What's the Canadian dollar at? To US 135. Okay. Well, US dollar's getting dumped.
Good.
I don't know. I feel like a fish out of water now. Don't have a good analysis now.
Fuck's sake, you fucking racist slur.
You can say it. YouTube will just ban us, don't worry. I don't care about YouTube.
I'm not even going to try and catch that now. Fucking done me twice.
Well, what's there to catch? I mean...
It's just going to sweep the high, I think. Friday high.
Oh, yeah. No, for sure. This
So
is going to for sure do... And then it's just going to retrace all of it.
Yeah, but it's pissing about. And it's sort of... It keeps popping, looking like it's going to break, and then reclaiming 10 points. And each time, first one I got slipped like fucking 8. And I sat through it, and basically it took it again and started doing it again. I just got out for a small loss because I wasn't fucking sitting for that shit again. It's still fucking around. This is probably where you should try, but my platform's just frozen up. No, it's fucking going. Yes, it's a fake out. It's not even gonna go and get it. Little bastards. Can't trick me. I knew what you're up to.
You get him, Justin. You show those shadow beings who's in charge.
Fucking hell. Oh, the slip on that was a bitch. That's what I'm doing. Being equally as shit. Fuck. Don't. Missed it. Missed it! Oh, I'm being a pussy now. It's not a nice action. Fucking shit. Fucking prick. Oh, you twat. Too early. Not right. Don't. Go. Fuck you. Know what you're doing. Know what you're doing, NQ. Entry was too shit. Oh, I missed it. You slut. Fuck yourself.
Our poor viewers have no idea what you're doing. They just hear you swearing.
Yeah, I mean, it's just being real trappy. Just like as soon as it breaks, it reclaims.
Are you trying to position long in YM or NQ?
No, I'm trying to go long NQ for the high. I think it's just going to pop, but it's sort of like timing.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
it's just going to happen. If it happens there, and so I'm not going to sit in it, even though I should. I don't want to sit through it just being a cunt and reclaiming.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's hard to sit through. What was that? Look at that. Fire, like.
I mean, that would have been pretty easy to sit through, but the entry I got where I would have, I got in late because I got in early. I had to kill it because it didn't look like it was going to close in force, and then I missed.
Let's see. Where do you think this? Where are we going to go to here?
I mean, it could go as high as 260. Next deviation.
Yeah, next, and then after that it's 350, and then okay, then it's all the way to that gap at like 275. I mean,
yeah, it's not looking bearish at the moment.
No, it's I for sure don't believe it's looking bearish. No, if it was supposed to have where was it at the definitive factor was at like what time is that? 10ish, 10 Eastern.
Yeah,
like it was the moment that reclaimed. I was just like, well, all right, now they'll take it wherever they want to take it at this point. I say this not even facetiously. Like, I would not be surprised to see it go to 750, you know, by the end of the day or extended trading hours, only to like dump all the way back down again.
Yeah, I think the trade was YM. Should have just fucking taken it straight away. Got short, and now it's gonna fuck.
The trade was this morning.
Shorting immediately.
Shorting, big stop, and then adding into that short the moment it started cracking, like the 510s, right?
Yeah,
I think 110s just start like piling in.
I think this is probably one thing where the big guy's right is like, if you do have a fairly solid thesis, you should just be hitting it on the open. If it looks like, you know, and it's like, I'm not used to that. I'm not used to just having faith in a macro kind of a combination.
But you better hope that you're yeah, if you got short at the high of that consolidation and you held through that push before the open, or maybe even added there, great. But I mean, look at those wicks. Look at those wicks on the open.
Yeah, I guess, I mean, maybe not. I mean, NQ was the one. But,
okay, I get it.
But on that momentum, and then YM was like, watch it, and there were a few momentum plays on YM.
Got it.
So I'm long for 150 on YM at the moment.
Nice.
Going for it.
Well, at least one of us knows how to trade. That's good. I just calm down. My trades are fine. I can't be sizing like that if I don't want to blow.
Yeah, I mean,
just fast to win, but fast to blow, right?
But here's the thing: in sim, you wouldn't have got margin calls. It would have worked, and that's the difference. Is like you're doing everything the same, and in sim you kill it, and when you come to here, the restraints totally fuck your game. And that's why these prop firms are shit. You have to adapt to play them.
Yeah, no, like if that was sim, hell, even if that was my own micros, I would have just held that spot. Like, it would have hurt a little bit, but it wasn't enough pain that I would have, like, I was convinced enough there that I would have held that, you know?
Yeah. The only reason you would have got out is because it fucking margin called you. Like you weren't gonna fucking puke it.
No, you gotta learn to play with it. I think, quite frankly, If I do a $2,000 drawdown, like you said, and like Bear said, 5 micros. That's my play.
Yeah.
Like 1 NQ, if it's slower action, it's like a nice little curl. I can keep a 3-point stop. Sure, I'll do that. But anything beyond that, like these, yeah, 5. Does that make sense to you?
Totally. Totally, but it's hard, especially when you're going to draw down, because you just want to get it back. And it's a grind.
Mm-hmm.
YM is trying to take me out. Now pop YM, you fucking dirty slut cunt.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
You found something cool about the platform?
No, I was looking up. So Bear mentioned to look at the futures desk.
Yeah. Yeah, that one actually looks quite good.
And here's a very interesting thing, right? Like, so their static is, so for example, the end of day kind of system for Top Step is, you know, no matter how much I make, I still only can lose 2,000, right?
Yeah, it's like 2K.
Yeah, it's just like I can make 2K today, but if I lose 2K tomorrow, it's game over.
And it's the 1K daily loss limit, I think.
Yeah. No, there's no daily loss limit.
Oh, okay.
But with the futures desk, their static drawdown, like if I make $1,000 today, I have an extra $1,000 in cushion tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which is the way it should be.
Mm.
Like that.
Yeah, it's stupid.
Like I can trade that properly.
Yeah.
Huh.
No, future desks do look good. And actually, they want to put you funded, but they put you funded with a really small account. Like live, I think.
Yeah. Well, who cares? I'm fine with
that.
No,
I'm not saying it's fine. I mean, it's real fucking money. Like, why not? Real feels, real money. I think it's pretty crazy that they do that in such a short period of time. But
well, you know, I'm sure that they make enough from people signing up and trying to risk a little 10G or 20Gs here and there. And, you know, look, it seems I watched a little thing with Bear in the interview. Bear had an interview with the owner there.
Oh, wow.
And it seems like the guy, and from what I now know from Bear, genuinely wants traders. Like, it seems like he has a somewhat of a passion for this, you know? And you can see that this is kind of his best attempt at trying to find talent, right? Now, he's a businessman, and he runs a good business. So, yeah. So, but this is nice. I mean, like, I can, yeah, this makes sense. Now, they have a daily loss limit. That's fine. So let's see, static account for 50K. It's a little bit pricey. It's 179, but once again, the drawdown is static. Profit target is higher, so it's 4. But once again, you build up. If you build up, you build up, and your daily loss can either be $400 or $800.
And yeah, I think they're customizable. Right? You can sort of tweak it.
Yeah. So
and pay more.
Yeah. So if you want a daily loss of 800, which
and you've got to trade a certain number of days, which is slightly annoying, but
so days to live brokerage, 8 days.
I mean, it's not annoying. It's fine. I mean,
no, that's not the worst, right?
I mean, it's actually, especially if they're putting you live, they're not going to want it if I can do it after you get lucky in a day.
Yeah.
Catch one banger.
But let's see, daily loss. But the daily loss, that's quite low.
Yeah, but at the same time, it'll save you. It just means you've got to go trade small because to start with, to build the account. Don't just try and like have a 2K day. Like base hit a few days. But I suppose that's always there, isn't it? Does that change as your account gets bigger? Like your
daily base. Okay, let's. That was a great question. Hold on, let's see. Let's pull up the rules.
Okay, thank you. Maybe I'm interested in you now. Oh, maybe. Sort of.
Okay, let's go through some of this. No, daily base hit does not change. So they kind of cap your profit on the day. So your target daily profit to stay on track for passing. If you go over this amount in a day, we only increase your profit target by the overage, neutralizing the overage. This ensures big days don't speed you up, but they also don't slow you down. So that's a $500 daily base hit. So your max loss per day is 400, and your max profit per day is 500. That's a bit of a... I mean... I don't know. Like... I don't think I could trade with a 400 daily loss. Oh, I don't hear you.
Sorry, man. I'm fucking around with the chart.
Oh,
that's better. Yeah. Yeah, I mean the base hit. Well, that's the maximum they're going to credit your account with anyway. Even if you hit $2,000, you just hit 580. Is that how it works?
What was that?
Like if you have a $2,000 day, you still only get
500. Yeah. So like if you're having a really good day, to make up for bad days, like you're just capped at 500. You have to make 508 days on a 400 daily loss. That's, I don't know, man. I mean, you can increase the daily loss to 800. Does that change the daily base hit? But it doesn't change the daily base hit.
No, it's weird. No. So you're not really encouraged to push.
No.
But at the same time, they just want to see consistency, I suppose. It's still a bit weird. Like the big guy would have issue with it as a structure.
Yeah.
Like why are you holding traders back? Especially if you want to put them live. Like you want them to fucking kill it, don't you?
Yeah, you want them to go when they're on fire. Like to be perfectly fair, right? Like irregardless of my oversizing today, I would rather I think that Bear could probably agree. It's probably better to have a guy make a mistake of oversizing when like the trade is good than just not taking the trade or like taking it like with 3 micros and being like, hey, look, I made $50.
Yeah, I mean, it's a weird one. I mean, he does talk about, I mean, he talks like it's easy. Like you get funded, you just fucking go for it. Like real money, it's like that, and then you gotta fucking go. It's just like, yeah. I am actually trying to go. I don't know if you realize this. I'm trying to go all the time. I'm not holding back, brother.
Yeah.
You just run that account up.
And it was so funny the other day where I was like I have passed little evals before. I just never did it. Like when I first just did it a few times, but it was mainly lucky too, right?
Yeah.
And it was just funny because like I can pretty consistently pull like 3K on sim, and without just like martingaling or stupid shits, right? And it was just so funny because when the big guy was on the mic the other day, he's just like, yeah, you can do this pretty easily, right, Andrew? And it's just like, oh yeah.
I mean, yeah, if I'm
Yeah.
not an asshole.
Yeah, if I'm an asshole,
If I could just not be an asshole for one day, yeah, I could
Yeah.
easily do it.
Yeah, easy.
Asshole.
If I don't take 3 lot positions, 3 contracts on capitulation trade with like no daily loss limit, sure, I could probably do it, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, if I concentrated, I'm just not going to concentrate.
Yeah,
I don't like concentrating. It hurts.
hurts my brain.
Why would I concentrate?
Okay, let's take a look at some of these rules. Okay. All right, so no minimum hold time.
Bottom of the hour. Bottom of the hour. Let's see what happens. I bet it's going to dump. And went up. What went up? Shows what I know. Actually, no, yeah, it's definitely going up. Misread.
Now, to be fair, if you do build your account up slowly, it takes a long time for you to die out.
Die. I mean, this is now looking bullish. Oh, this could be a good short though. Let's have a look. Watch for absorption. Watch for it. I've got 4 minutes to see this fail its pants. I give you permission to fail. You're not going to, are you? Fucking slut. It's going to leave me. Oh, I don't know that close.
So this is also kind of like not particularly great. So for the daily base hit, right?
Mm-hmm.
They expect you say so. If you make less than the daily base hit, so the daily base hit is 500 on a 50K account, which is quite a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
And
if you're trading micros.
Yeah, if you're trading micros, and once again, you could trade a mini, but you know you definitely have to not have a $400 daily loss. You need 800 at least. So let's for 500. That's a pretty hefty thing, and it says if you make less than the daily base hit, this will not pass you in the absolute minimum amount of days. That's okay. Don't make your goal with us. We're doing something different here. I don't even understand what that means. So you have to make $500 for 8 out of in 8, not in 8 trading days, but
over 8 days. You have to have 8 $500 days.
Yeah.
And so if you don't hit it, you've got to trade more days. So it's like the minimum amount of time it can take is 8 days, but actually it might take 20. It might take 20.
Yeah.
Again, that's them seeing consistency. Like, I mean, it's quite clever, I suppose.
Now you can pay. You can pay more money and go 5 days, right? But like it's substantial. But then the daily base hit turns into 800. Or you can up it to 10 days, and then the daily base hit goes to 400. Or even to days to live 12, and then the daily base hit becomes 334. I almost feel like actually going live in 12 days with base hits of 334 is more feasible on a $2,000 drawdown account than 8 $500 days. Like those are big days for like trading 5 micros.
Yeah, I mean, as Bear would say, like if you can trade, it's not an issue.
Yeah,
it's easy. It's easy if you can trade.
So here's the thing. I'll be frank with you. I don't think I can do this this math stuff. I know how to scalp 1 NQs. I'm good at scalping 1 NQs. I guess I can transition my brain to doing 5 micros, but I think that would kill me to like be trading 5 micros to like only make like 300 on the day, you know? When my base hit has to be 500.
Fucking slut. I got fucking stall out.
Oh, that's
pig.
interesting. Okay, so look at this. However, if you don't do if you do end a day drawdown, then the base hit gets lower.
Yeah, because it's not static.
Yeah.
So it's like if you finish at a loss or a win, it's trailing you still. You don't get. You're always stuck at 2K. If you make $1,000, you're not. You don't have a $3,000 drawdown anymore. You still have 2 every day. Ah, you fucking Jew.
Whoa. Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Whoa.
I missed it. I missed what I wanted.
My goodness.
And when I say that, I mean
you mean Israel is our greatest ally.
There's no way out of it. I was going to try and pretend. I mean juice. I mean orange juice. Fuck. There's no way out of this one.
We're going
what does
down.
it sound?
Go down.
What does it sound? What does it sound like? I said you. Oh Christ! There's nothing. All right, got to change slurs.
You have to change.
None of them get better. None of them are any better, pal. I didn't say that one. I'm gonna stick with it. I think Jew's the safest one. Fucking.
I do like your concept of if you know how to trade, you know how to trade.
I mean, but the issue is, don't be a cunt just trying to fucking like, right, I'm going to get my 500, let's go. It's like, sit down and fucking wait. Because you only need one hit. It's one, $500 is 2 trades.
Yeah, that's true.
Two good trades. And so you sit there and you wait for shit. Yeah, you wait for your pickles to go tingly and you fucking do it. And go back to my heart. YM is not behaving. Smash you fucking twit. YM. Ooh, she tried. She tried.
Oh my goodness. I'm having a hard day today. I'm having a hard, few days.
Hard damn life, son.
Yeah, it's starting to turn into a hard life. There we go. Gold finally broke out. You got long, like I told you, right?
Yeah. But yeah.
I mean, I'm joking, but really, you should have.
I know. Should have done a lot of things today. Fucking didn't, did I?
Well, I mean, to be fair, who am I to be saying anything today? But at least I don't hide it. There it is on my screen.
Don't you dare censor yourself.
The max. Well, you know, I think that if you blow up, you got to just show people. You know?
I mean, there's no hiding it. You just did it
I'm
live.
I did what I did.
You did it live on air, boy.
I lived my truth.
Yeah.
I know what I'm about.
It's just, just only do it once live. You can't do it anymore. That's it now.
Well,
otherwise it gets embarrassing.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's what you're here for too, right? We're supposed to hold accountability to each other, but it doesn't seem to be working very well if we're not accountable to each other.
But it's very difficult. You didn't tell me you had 3 on. You know what I mean? You can't just suddenly go, yep, in fact. What? I can't intercede and try and stop this from happening.
All joking aside, like that, I guess all excuses aside, I got, it is what it is. I shouldn't do that. That's ridiculous for my account size. Doesn't matter what level of conviction I have. If it's too rich for the account, it's too rich for the account. The
only time I ever get 3 on is when I'm adding and it's in my favor. And so it's like, I've got some conviction on this, and I'm adding as it's going. I'm not adding as it's not working.
Oh, sorry. So I understand the base hit a little bit better now. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like it's very well. I don't. This is good and bad. I don't really particularly like how loose this is. The base hit is kind of like a guide. It's not really a quota. You are not required to make exactly that amount every day. You can make less one day and more the next, as long as you eventually hit the total profit target. So it's kind of like their version of a consistency.
Yeah. It's a better version of what a consistency rule should be.
So you're right. The best thing to do is just trade like how you would trade.
Look for the premium setups, because look, they're obvious every day when they come. And the problem is you're just fucking getting sucked into the minutiae of price action. But there comes like a couple of moments in a day where you're just like, you just fucking know. And then the other times you're like, this should do this. But then there's times when you know.
Okay. Are you trading, or can you, or do you have 5 minutes to help me out here?
I can stop.
Okay.
I'm not trading well, so.
Perfect. I'll call this here. So
Although
come here.
I want to go long here. Oh, good. To save me a loss. So go ahead. Come where?
You're welcome. God, I'm good at this job.
Well, thank you.
Just made. What is it? Head psychologist of the Discretionary TV trading desk.
I just made my money back with that one. That's got my money back with you. Oh, I see. I'd be trying to get it. Oh God, would have got fucked again. There you go.
Wouldn't that be funny?
Right.
I work as a trader psychologist, but my payment is you have to buy me sim accounts because I blow them up. I bet you so many of those guys they try trading and they just blew up and they're like, but I bet I can tell people how to not blow up now that I've blown up.
Well, look, I mean, it actually is easier to tell people how to trade than it is to trade. I believe that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay, so go to that link and click rhythmic for the platform because it would have to be rhythmic.
Mm-hmm.
And then so you can choose end of day or static. And then on each one, they have an ability to customize it, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Tell me, without me interfering, tell me, and I can just answer questions if you have questions about rules. Tell me what you think would be a good value or a good, yeah.
I like what's set up. Well, look, you don't want to trade more than a mini at this size, so you go straight down to 1 or 10 micros. That's what I would do. Then you can't fucking be a twat.
I know, but that was so. It's so funny. When I was looking at that, I was like, yeah, but what if I get a really good opportunity and I need 2 minis?
Yeah. What if I want to blow up?
Yeah. Okay. So, all right, we go down to 1 mini,
and that takes you down to 130. Then you can put that then up to either your daily loss limit can go up, and that can't. How do I reset? Okay,
which one are you looking at? End of day or static?
I'm looking at static on the standard 50k. I'm going to customize plan. I'm going down to 1 mini. That takes it down to 169. I would like more daily loss, but they're not going to give you that unless you've got bigger drawdown, is it? How do you get? It's 20% of your drawdown. Okay, so start again. So back in static. I'm taking that down. That saves me a tenner. Then I'm going to bump up my drawdown, which bumps up my daily loss.
But it also bumps up your daily base hit.
I don't care about that.
Oh, okay. He doesn't care about that. I don't care about that. I was just checking if he cared about it, and he does not, for the record.
No. And then, I mean, I would go 12 days just to make it more affordable. And then so I can bump it up to 179. So I get 550 daily loss. Bit more reasonable. That's probably 2 or 3 losers in a row. If you can find the tight spots. So I get 3 goes before I'm done. If those 3 goes work, I've definitely probably hit my base hit. This is assuming I trade the mini. Fucking. I want to go long. You've distracted me.
I'm sorry. I need help.
You just cost me a lot of money. So yeah, I would go personally drop it down to 1 or 10, 1 and 10, bump it up to 12 days because I want to show myself to be consistent just as much as they want me to show it.
Take a screenshot when you're done customizing it.
And it makes it more affordable. What's the max you want to spend?
I don't care. Just tell me what you think would be the best for look, I know how to I can trade well as long as I don't outsize myself.
I like this. It's a little bit spendy, but
yeah. I want to take this the whole point of us doing the stream and everything like this is to make an account and to take it fully serious.
I think that's a good balance because you've got 600 daily loss, right? So even if you trade minis, you can at least take 2 or 3 trades.
Okay.
At least if you wait for the volatility to die down. So you can't trade the open. It's just you're just going to do your load if you fuck up. Time like now, where we've got, it's much more reasonable. It's still quite volatile, but so flush you're capped at 600. So like you got 5 days, 5 losing days before you blow up in a row. So that's pretty good. Can't just fucking nuke yourself. And then you can't develop bad habits with multiple contracts because you can only trade 1 mini. You could do it with micros if you wanted. I think that's quite reasonable. And it's $200. It's a bit scary, but then what's the reset? Reset's 75. And then what? Oh, you've got to fucking pay $49 a month to keep going if you haven't done it in 12 days. So that's the only risk. But again, it's only 40. So if you don't qualify within 31 days, you've got to pay $49 to keep going, right?
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, and then if you actually nuke it, you can reset it for 75, which is quite good.
That's good for what you're. For what you're getting.
Well, it's well under half the price of buying another one, so that's fine. That's pretty good. And so I mean, from that point on, what you could say is, in theory, 199 up front, and then it's not going to cost you more than $75 a month to keep going with it, even if you keep fucking up. Because if you're doing okay, but you're grinding it out, your 31 days comes up, you've got to pay 49. If you blow up halfway through the month, you pay the reset. You're not going to blow up. Well, you might blow up, but you're not going to need to pay any more money unless you blow up again. But it's going to take you it's going to take you at least 6 days because you lost 5 days because you lost limit. I'm assuming you're not a complete asshole. So, I mean, that sort of thing, life is a rolling thing from that point on, where it's going to take you might have to have a few bashes at it. You could be able to cap it at.
Might take a few bashes, but at 75 of reset, that's not the worst.
Or 49 and annex. That's what I mean. Like, generally, per month, it might only cost you max 75 quid. Because obviously, if you reset, you don't have to worry about $49 to keep going. I assume, unless it is like 31 days. But if you reset, and I assume the 31 days resets. Now, if that's not the case, that might be a small print, like the 31-day monthly is always there, whether you reset or not. That's worth looking at. Okay. Just to establish, because in theory, that kind of changes it a little bit. It could cost you $125 a month if you blow up, and then you're technically extending because you've got to start again. You're going to roll over that 31-day. But generally, yeah, as long as you can keep it alive, you just either, and like I'm sure there's a cooling off period for the reset. So if you blow it up, I wonder how long before you can pay for a reset. Like, can you cool down for 2 days and reset it 2 days later, or do you have to immediately reset it? Or if you blow it up, you have to blow it. You have to reset before you blow up. I suppose that's what you do. Like if you get down to like you've got $200 left, just reset.
So there's a couple things. The reset can be done immediately. There's no cooldown, and as soon as you do it, you get a 31-day extension on the billing. So the reset counts as an extra 31 days now, like a month. Yeah,
so that's what I mean. So let's say like you want to make it so that you're only going to spend $75 a month maximum. Let's say you get down to $200. You just stop trading until, let's say, you're waiting for payday or whatever. Do you know what I mean? And then you got your 70. Then you reset, you start again. So you can cap kind of your expenses at trying this thing to $75 a month thereafter.
Can I ask you a question? You said like, let's say you get to $200 or something.
Yeah.
Why? Who cares if you blow it? If you blow it.
What I mean is you can sit on it then and wait until.
Oh, I get it.
The end of the month. Do you know what I mean? So that it caps how much you spend in a month. That's what I mean. You can control your spending.
Yeah. Okay.
So it might be seven days. Is like basically you hold on to it until the 31-day extension is coming, and then you just reset it in one go.
Got it.
And it covers the extension, get a full reset. Rather than, I mean, it's up to you, but it depends how much money you want to be sort of.
Well, so I feel like it makes more sense to pay more up front and then have a low recurring fee than the alternatives, which are like if you blow up these other ones, like you just have to pay the full $100 again. You know what I mean? There's no there's no cheap
the reset goes up.
Yeah.
The higher you go. So as soon as you go to 3250 drawdown, it goes up to 150 reset. So it's better to cap it at 3000, even though it's still low. It keeps you at that nice cheap reset. It's still a decent sort of profile to work with. And
yeah, no, I think you're right. And like I can afford. Look, let's say I within 2 weeks I blow the account. It happens. I can afford, like, I can wait 2 weeks, go back to Sim, you know, and then reset it like next month, kind of like on payday.
Yeah.
Type of thing,
the
right?
thing
like,
is that don't like actually blow it up because you might have to reset straight away. So just
oh yeah, I get what you're saying.
Like try and keep $50 in there and just don't trade it. Also, with that profile, like if you want to go up to 2, it's not going to cost you any more. If you want to go up to 3 contracts, it's only another tenner. So if you want to be risque, but
sorry, repeat what you said.
If you wanted to bump up the max contract size, it's not going to cost you any more. You can go to 2 for no change in price.
Let's see. I see. Oh yeah, I see. Do I trust myself though? That's the question. Or am I just generate?
I think like
I trust myself, to be honest with you. If we do it together, I trust myself.
Yeah, I mean,
because there are look, like, in all honesty, listen, there are sometimes like, you know, when you have a really nice, like, it's a really nice flat top, pressing on the highs, bullish day, lots of volatility, volume coming in, volume's there, and you are able to get, you know, sometimes you get those like small kind of like, what does Bear call them when they're like kind of like those in like stuttering little spots, and like you can literally keep like a 3-point stop, and it like the 3-point stop is more than enough to invalidate it, right? Those are kind of great when you have 2 lots, you know, because
they are, but you got to remember your base hit's so low that do you really need 2 lot? Like the value of having the 2 lot is not really. You can only hit your base hit. Having 2 of them isn't making a difference. What 2 is much more risky from a downside aspect than an upside, because you're capped in what you can make. So,
you know what? You're absolutely correct. I don't even care that it's not the same price. I'll put it to 1 mini because that's the plan. So why do it doesn't matter, you know?
But it also, sometimes it's nice having that restriction, because sometimes you haven't got the margin to trade more than 1 anyway as well, and if it was a real account.
Yeah.
So I just think sometimes that kind of restriction is a positive thing, because you'd have to be selective. You can't revenge trade, try and just go for a banger, fucking multiple contracts, which the urge will occur, and like not having it available as an option just means you don't do it.
Yeah.
And then obviously you can trade up to 10 micros. So like if you feel like you want to hold one, you just build into it in micros. Go 3 first, add 3, add another 3. If you think it's going to run.
That's true. That's true.
And it's a bit more forgiving.
What's funny is
Drop of the hour.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Ooh, every time, man. Get a nice pop.
Okay, I gotta drive my wife to her workout class. I will be back in a couple hours.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Are we terminate?
I gotta think about what you said, and yeah.
Are we terminating the stream, or is it gone already?
Yeah, I'm gonna end it now.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye bye.